Welcome all my dear friends in this GPET 2022 and all pharmacy competitive examination revision point of view. Today we are going to discuss about 5 important multiple choice questions from the topic carbohydrate. The first question is example of Plantagenesia drug is dash. Horsehair, that is Isabgal, belonging to Plantagenesia family. Plantago ovata, Plantago afra and Plantago indica. Vegetable gelatin, that is agar, Gelidium amansi gelidaceae. So amylum, that is starch, Oryza sativa, Zeomys, Triticum aestivum and Solanum tuberosum. It is belonging to Graminae and Solanaceae family. Mel, that is Apis mellifera, Apis dorsata and Apis indica, belonging to Apidae family. So the given crude drugs are Isabgal, agar, starch and honey. From that 4 drugs, Isabgal is belonging to Plantageneaceae family. So the correct answer is Isabgal. Other drugs will be coming under different families. Okay. So dear friends, dear students, all of you prepare well the questions in plant family wise. Then question number 2, which drug is used in the preparation of emollient as well as demulcents? 4 options have been mentioned: papaya, gel foam, Indian gum and none of the above. Okay. Mucilaginous substances. So due to the presence of these substances, the drug will be used as emollient as well as demulcent. Emollient means an agent that is used in the skin protection. Okay, skin protection. Demulcent, it will be helpful to softening the skin. The correct answer will be acacia. The other drugs like gelatin, gel foam and papaya, it will not be used in this purpose. Sometimes gelatin might be used, but the exact answer will be Indian gum, that is acacia gum. So dear students, study well for your GPET 2022 examination. The question number 3, which one of the drug is used in the preparation of Ayurvedics? Mel, that is honey. The another name of honey is called as mel. It is used as a vehicle in some other Ayurvedic formulation. Then Tragagandha, it is only for external use, sometimes only very rarely used as a stabilizer in ice cream industry. So it is not the correct answer. Then Serraflava, that is called as beeswax, it will not be used for internal purpose. Then all the above, it is not the correct answer. So the correct answer is honey. And the another name is mel. It is used in Ayurvedic preparations. The other medicinal uses of honey like treatment of cough, wound healing property, then other industrial uses like preparation of creams, then soft drinks, nutritive, used as nutritive for infants and patients and children also. It has lot of medicinal properties. Okay, the correct answer is mel. Example of mucilage drug is dash. Agar, Indian xylem, pectin, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above, because agar, Gelidium amansi gelidaceae family, in mucilage form it is used as a solidifying agent. Indian xylem, that is Isabgal, Plantago ovata, Plantago afra and Plantago indica, belonging to Plantageneaceae family. In mucilage form it is used in the preparation of some other pills and some solids. Then pectin, in the form of mucilage, it also has been used in some other preparations. So we have 3 options: agar, Indian xylem and pectin. So all the crude drugs are having mucilages. That's why the answer is all of the above. Usually the crude drugs containing carbohydrates will be having mucilages. So that common taste of the carbohydrate containing crude drug is mucilaginous taste. Each and every type of phytoconstituents nature drugs will be having some specific taste. Okay. Then the question number 5 is, which one of the drug is not belonging to Leguminaceae family? Acacia belonging to Leguminaceae family. Starch belonging to Graminae and Solanaceae family. Oryza sativa, Triticum aestivum and Zeomys. Licorice, Glycyrrhiza glabra belonging to Leguminaceae family. Tragagandha, Astragalus gummifer label belonging to Leguminaceae family. So our question is, which one of the drug is not belonging to Leguminaceae family? So 3 drugs are belonging to Leguminaceae family. 1 drug is, that is starch, belonging to Graminae and Solanaceae family. So the correct answer is starch. So dear friends, dear students, dear viewers, you have to concentrate on the plant families. Some of the important questions should be asked in competitive examinations. It will be repeated in all the competitive examination, I mean family based questions. Okay, so these are the 5 important questions we have discussed today. So all of you prepare well for your GPAT, medical recruitment board, ESIC, I mean employee state insurance corporation examination, then DA examination, then medical recruitment board. You have to prepare well, and all the best wishes for your successful brightful future. அருள் பேராற்றல் கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீண்ட ஆயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர்ப்புகள், மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்க. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். அருள் பேராற்றல் இரவும் பகலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் எல்லா தொழில்களிலும் எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் உறுதுணையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழிநடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. நன்றி. தேங்க்ஸ் எ லாட்.